and then move away. 2 people have come here. They say they're security, and they have left. Okay, why are you stopping us? Mister, why are you stopping us? Alpha, road not there. Why are you stopping us? Listen, that's what the commission is. Someone touch me. Come on, Roddy. Come on, Roddy. Why this talk to they speak English? Come on, Roddy. Come on, Roddy. Come on, fire. Come on, Roddy. Come on, don't let them go in. Police, don't step back. Police, don't let them use you. Step back. Don't let them use you. They are ruining our lives. Don't let them use you. Stand aside. Stand aside. Don't let them use you. They are wicked. Come on there. Come on there. Don't touch her. Don't touch her. Don't touch her. Don't touch her.
What nonsense is that?
Somebody on my phone. Don't touch her. Why are you stopping us? Is that Mabio girl? Is that Mabio? Come over there. Come over there. Now they crazy. Now go kill her. Now go kill her.
The National Assembly belongs to all of us.
This place is not Amabio. Where is Amabio? Where is Amabio? Senator Natasha will resume. Ogu kill her.
Nigeria is one of us. Look at everybody peeping like slaves.
I don't understand.
Because one man wants to
Everybody they speak English. Nigeria police. God bless you now. See? Yes!
The Nigerian police is so far.
Rubbish. What nonsense. What nonsense. How long Nigeria will be like this? Now Babio guessing it. Now Babio guessing it.
Oppression in the country is too much.
What nonsense. What nonsense. They speak English. What nonsense. What nonsense. Now go kill them. Now go kill the senators. When they see truth, they don't be talking. Now go kill the senators. When they stand, defend their rights. Shame on you, Nigerian senators. Everybody stand and speak English. Or go they kill now. Now go kill now. Everybody you see here today is ready to die. What nonsense. What nonsense. Now go kill them. What nonsense.
How much is their salary?
How much?
Tomorrow they're going to protest if some after 35 years. That is the country that we are. The suspension was illegal, and this country is
They kill now. Everybody they speak English. Useless people. Useless people. They are the reason why Nigeria is where it is. Nigeria has refused to move forward. How can a woman inspector after 35 years receive 1.4 million naira?
And we are saying no to it.
How? How? And then you send the same police during the EndSARS process. Police was killed in numbers, but these senators were abroad. They have come again. They have sent police.